What's up, you guys? So I will be dyeing my brown lace wig. I'm doing Burgundy because fall is here. Well, it ain't in Florida yet, you know, but it's fall, but it ain't here. So I'll be using ruby red. You know, brown and red will equal to burgundy. Now, if you had blonde, it will actually come out red. But I only have like a little corner in here, like literally barely anything. Like I have to rinse it out with some water to get the color out of here, which is called crimson. And I will be using this ruby red to give me the color effect that I want for my brown wig. Oh, thought I knocked it over. For my brown wig right here, you guys. So I'm going to place that there. Now I put a bowl of water in my microwave for 6 minutes. I never did this pot before. I always use my water out the sink. But this time, let me see. It's scalding hot. It's pretty hot. But you want to use warm to hot water so you can, why my light went off? Oh no, it's not. Hold on, you guys. Let me get my box light. Okay, guys, I am back with my hot water. The hot water is to open up the cuticle of the hair. So I'm going to use this crimson first because I'm going to show you, I literally have anything left in there, as you guys can actually see. Crimson looks like a darn freaking, I don't know what. Alright, let's get some of that color out of there. I want all my color. Okay, and then we're going to put this ruby red in there. We wanted to get it dark, so we make sure we get a nice product at the end. And the thing about it, it should look like it's coming off as pink. So I may need to add some black to it just to make sure it's burgundy, but if it comes out as pink, it's just going to have to be pink. But it's ruby red. And make sure you get a towel that you don't mind messing up. But we're going to do this. And it's not going to pinch your lace for some reason. Let me move this over. Okay, you guys, I am back. Now we're just going to go ahead and place this in here, which the odd thing about it is it looks pink to me. But oh well, whatever color comes out, that's what colors come out. But I probably should have added a little black to it. But what we're going to do, we're going to put that in there. And we're going to let it soak and absorb. Might pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. Ooh, it's hot. When you finish, your water should be almost clear, depending on what color you use. So you want to make sure to absorb as much color as possible. So what I'm going to do, since it's already a dark color, I'm going to let this sit in here about a good 10 minutes. And I'll be back. Usually it don't take me that long at all. But because it's a dark color, I want to make sure it come out right. We'll let it sit in here for like a good 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. You guys, what I just did, I just add some royal purple to this color. Now I'm gonna, you already can see the color in it already. But you know what? I'm going to do a custom color. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let it boil, let it heat up, open up the cuticles, and then we're going to see what we got. I'm going to blow dry it and then straighten it. But you know what? Guess what? The lace got tinted. So I'm not worried, but I don't know. Maybe because I had that water boiling. I never had that issue before, but I did do that differently. So maybe that's what it was. Don't know. But I really don't even care. But anyway, I'll be back once everything is done. It's a beautiful color.